BKSL 2021 is a nationwide contest among 3 million students of various fields to help them in incorporating the habits like self-learning, daily learning and group learning. This contest is an opportunity for every student to explore and enhance their knowledge while competing among millions of learners from all over the country, and also gets them a chance to win exciting cash prize of rupees 10 lakh, 5 lakh and 2 lakh at the national level. Excited? Then let's now check with the contest flow. This contest will be conducted in 4 major steps. That is, mentors recruitment and training, round 1, round 2 and results announcement. Step 1, mentors recruitment and training. The best performing students who have applied for BK mentorship will be selected for this role. BK mentor have to review the content posted by other participants during the contest. With this, BK mentor not only doubles their learning time but also gets a stipend up to rupees 5,000. To know more, click the link given in the below description. Step 2, Round 1. This round will be conducted online between the given dates for each field through the regular Beyond Knowing participation for 1 month, where they need to perform the activities like posting quiz, playing quiz, posting answers, reading, etc. To know more and explore BK in detail, follow up with the link provided in the description. Step 3, Round 2. This round will be of 50 quiz questions conducted online at the nearest selected centers by Sukshmas. Step 4, Results announcement and prize distribution. Want to know more about who can participate? This contest is divided into 3 eligible fields. Field 1, students from engineering, BCA or MCA of all the branches and semesters. Field 2, engineering and medical entrance exams like JEE and NEET. Field 3, government exams like UPSC, SSC, banks, railways, etc. Coming to the winners prize, winners will be announced at various levels like national, state, district and institute for each field. Interested to join this event? Then register to Sukshmas, click on BKSL 2021, choose your field and click on apply. Fill the application form with the necessary details and submit. Want to know how much it costs to participate in the contest? As contest is based on Beyond Knowing game, students who are participating in the contest needs to subscribe for Beyond Knowing at least for a month with just rupees 299 for the provided dates of the respective fields or during the mentors recruitment process, where participants will get all the regular benefits of Beyond Knowing rewards during the subscription period apart from the contest prizes. Ensure you participate in the mentioned dates of your field to be part of this contest. Join us soon, Team Sukshmas.